So the Reggae Boys won their first game in the CONCACAF Nations League against the Cayman Islands. But them shall drop 8 or 10. The bigger and more important thing though is the estimate of the crowd inside the stadium on Sunday. It was less than 2,000 people to watch a full-strength Reggae Boys team playing in a competitive international fixture at home. And we could not get 2,000 people. This is a national disgrace. And proves again that Jamaica don't have a football culture. We are a set of internet and Facebook and television football fans. We care more about Manchester United and Liverpool and Arsenal and Chelsea than about the national team. And look, I was not expecting 20 or 30,000 people, but good God, man, 1,000 and just sitting inside the stadium watching the game, Jamaica in full control. As we say, Cayman should have get about 8 or 10. But the stadium was so quiet, no vibe, no energy for the national team playing at home. People support even the Manning Cup and the DaCosta Cup more than the Jamaica team. And I can bet you that if we carry Argentina or France or Brazil inside the stadium and charge 10 grand a head, people find the money. They would have taken a loan and full up the stadium. But the national team returns to the national stadium and less than 2,000 people turn out to watch. No wonder the JFF had stopped playing games in the stadium. We are a worthless set of chattering veranda football fans. And we had on the wagon for start up for a jumper. It's not a joke.